Most of you are already familiar with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Some of you are used to smart devices, like an air conditioning system that can sense your absence in the room and automatically turn it off. Have you ever wondered who these are, or how do they do all this, and how can they be so human? Don't worry. This video will help you learn everything you need to know about these artificially intelligent devices, also known as AI agent. Agent is a freestanding program or entity that interacts with its surroundings by sensing them with sensors, acting with actuators or effectors, and so on. Coming to software agents, this agent acts on sensory inputs such as file contents, keystrokes, and network packets. I repeat, and network packets it has received by acting on those inputs and showing the results on a screen. Coming to human agent, we are all agents of course. Humans contain sensors like their eyes, hearing, and other organs, as well as actuators like their hands, legs, mouths, and other bodily parts. And third one is robotic agents. Robotic agents feature a variety of high quality motors that serve as actuators, as well as cameras and infrared range finders that serve as sensors. This is all about examples of AI agents. Agents must adhere to certain rules. Let us list them out. Rule number 1. An AI agent needs to have an environmental perception. Rule number 2, decisions must be based on observations of the environment. Rule number 3, action should follow decisions. And coming to rule number 4, the AI agent's action have to be logical. The best possible outcome comes from making rational decisions that maximize performance. Now that we all know the rules to follow, we will understand types of agents. First is learning agents. A learning agent learns from its past experience. It is used in the gaming industry as this industry needs the most reliable and tested agent. Next is reflex agent. These agents focus on the now and forget the past. They answer by applying the evident condition action principle. When a user starts an event, the agent refers to a set of pre-programmed criteria and rules leading to pre-programmed result. You might have heard about tic-tac-toe and the decision regarding that based on reflexive agent. Model-based agent. These agents select their behaviors in a similar manner as reflex agents, but they have a more thorough understanding of their surroundings. The internal system has an environmental model that integrates with the agent's past. Next is goal-based agent. These agents expand on the data that a model-based agent maintains by adding goal information or data describing desired outcomes and circumstances. Next is utility-based agent. They are similar to goal-based agents, but they also provide an additional utility metric. This evaluation ranks each potential consequence in relation to the desired outcome and chooses the course of action that optimizes the result. Examples of rating criteria includes factors like success probability or the quantity of resources needed. Now we know the types of agents. It's time to know its function. So let us learn about structure of an agent. Many agents uses the PEAS model in the structure. PEAS is an acronym for performance, measure, environment, actuators, and sensors. For instance, let us take vacuum cleaner as an example. Performance, cleanliness and efficiency can be considered as performance. Environment, rug, hardwood floor, living room. These can be considered as environment for vacuum cleaner. Actuator, brushes, wheel, and vacuum bag in a vacuum cleaner can be considered as actuators. Sensors, dirt detect sensor, bump sensor. Next, we will see how to improve the performance. We only need to question ourselves. How do we increase our performance in a task? When confronting the problem of how to improve intelligent agent performances, Clearly, the solution is straightforward. We carry out the task, recall the outcomes, and make adjustments in light of our memories of prior tries. The same manner that humans improve, so do AI agents. By saving its previous responses and attempts, the agent improves and learns how to react more effectively in the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning converge here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos on the latest technologies. Till then, keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.